So they just announced on the tram that to stick to the timetable we have to wait at this stop for a short space of time. Of course that would normally be a queue for moans and groans, but when the view is okay, that's better, like this, then that's not so bad. Life is not so bad. Oh yeah, and not forgetting, which is actually a shopping mall. And then we have this, which tells us where we're going. The bottom one is the next stop. Oh, actually, I think it's where we are right now. And then the Margit is the one I'm going to, and that is the time.